안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I went shopping for ingredients to make side dishes for the week. Have you noticed the prices going up lately? Because of that, I'm here to show you how to whip up some delicious dishes on a budget using seasonal and everyday ingredients. Shall we make it together? Here are the ingredients I bought from the market today. I spent about $24 in total. The first dish I'm going to make is braised potato and spam. Cut the potatoes into appropriate sizes, then dice them into cubes. Cut the spam into pieces of a similar size as the potatoes. Boil the potatoes in water for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the potatoes from the water and drain them. Heat a pan and add the spam, frying it on medium-high heat until it becomes golden brown. Once the spam becomes golden brown, add the pre-boiled potatoes. Then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and continue to fry for about 1 minute on medium-high heat. Put 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, a quarter cup of water, a quarter cup of mirin, 4 tablespoons of oligosaccharide, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a bit of pepper, and half teaspoon of ginger. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add about half tablespoon of sugar. Simmer everything together on medium heat for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, when the sauce has thickened to your liking, the dish is ready. Turn off the heat and then add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds for the finishing touch. It is sure to pair well with any rice meal. Very sweet and savory braised potato and spam is done. Radish salad, 무생채. Thinly sliced radish, 주랭이 띠니. After slicing, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well to remove moisture from the radish through osmosis. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, squeeze out the moisture from the radish well as a lot of water came out. Put 4 tablespoons of red pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of salted shrimp, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions. If needed, you can add 2 pinches of salt. Adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar at the end can also enhance the taste. It can be a delicious alternative to kimchi. Very crunchy and refreshing 무생채 is done. Marinated eggs. Add half teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of vinegar. When the water starts to boil, add the eggs. Boil them for about 8 more minutes to cook the egg yolks to a semi-hard state. After 8 minutes, soak the boiled eggs in cold water for about 5 minutes. This makes peeling easier. The key to this dish is to not fully cook the egg yolks, but to boil them until they are about halfway done. Let's peel the eggs. Tapping the eggs against each other helps them peel more easily. The eggs are now smoothly peeled. Finely chop the red bell pepper. Finely chop half an onion. Add a bit of the chopped onion. Add a bit of the chopped red bell pepper. Also add 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions. Put half a cup of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sugar, half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and a bit of pepper. Mix well. Very delicious and savory marinated eggs is done. When serving, place an egg on top of rice with some sauce and mix well to enjoy a very delicious meal. Season the bok choy. Bok choy 나물. First boil some water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cut off the bottom part of the bok choy. You need to blanch the bok choy. Start with the stems since they take longer to cook. As this vegetable can also be eaten raw, blanching it for about 1 to 2 minutes is enough. After 1 to 2 minutes, place the bok choy in cold water. This helps maintain a nice color and texture. Here's the bok choy washed once or twice in water. Squeeze out the water with your hands. Cut it into small pieces. Cutting will release more water, so make sure to squeeze out the moisture again. Now let's season it. Put 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Very nutritious and delicious seasoned bok choy is done. Zucchini and potato pancakes. Then slice 1 medium-sized potato. Then julienne it finely. This reduces the cooking time later. Slice the zucchini thinly as well, then julienne it finely. For color, add some finely chopped red bell pepper. This is optional. Add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. For a crispier texture, add 4 tablespoons of frying mix. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Add 3 tablespoons of water. You don't need to add much water since the vegetables will release moisture later. Now let's cook them. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil in a preheated pan. Drop the batter by the spoonful. Cook both sides until golden brown over medium heat. Flip them halfway through. Very crispy and savory zucchini and potato pancakes is done. Braise the tofu, tofu조림. In a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine or mirin, 4 tablespoons of oligosaccharide, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. Add a little pepper. Mix well. Remove moisture from the tofu well with kitchen towels. Use from tofu. Cut it into appropriate sizes. Cut it into cube shapes. Coat each piece of tofu with cornstarch. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Place the tofu in the pan so they don't stick to each other. Cook over medium heat until golden brown. Flip them over when they are golden brown. Once the tofu is golden brown, pour the pre-made sauce over it. For color, add some chopped bell peppers. Turn off the heat, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Very chewy and savory tofu조림 is done. Season the mung bean sprout. 숙주나물. Julienne the carrot finely and thinly for color. Just a little is needed. When the water boils, add the mung bean sprouts. Blanch them for about 2 minutes for a crunchy texture. After 2 minutes, rinse the mung bean sprouts in cold water right away to stop the cooking process, ensuring they remain crunchy. Drain well. Place the drained mung bean sprouts in a bowl. Add the julienne the carrot. Put 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of 국간장, soy sauce for stew, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions. Mix gently. Very crunchy and delicious seasoned mung bean sprout is done. Seasoned fish cake, 어묵 무침. I bought these fish cakes from the market today. It seems like there are about 20 pieces in total. Today we will use only 6 pieces, and the rest can be stored in a Ziploc bag in the freezer for later use. Cut the fish cakes in half, then slice them thinly. Pour hot water over the fish cakes to remove some of the oil. Then take them out and soak them in cold water to drain. This makes the fish cakes chewier and more flavorful. Drain the fish cakes well and place them in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tuna fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of saccharide, 2 tablespoons of green onions, and mix well. If you prefer a sweeter taste, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can enjoy the fish cake mixed like this without simmering them. A very tasty seasoned fish cake is done. Did you enjoy the video? What are your favorite side dishes? It's great to have many banchans, so you don't have to worry about what to eat all week. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.